It's time to take your kitchen into the 21st century. Featuring 11 original presets, the COSORI Smart Air Fryer cooks meals faster than an oven and with up to 85% less fat than traditionally fried foods. Want to unlock your fryer's full potential? Download the VSync app to connect your smart fryer to your smartphone. With VSync, you can browse 100 online recipes personally created by our COSORI chefs. Something catch your eye? Automatically input settings by selecting the recipe you want, or remotely make adjustments. Schedule cook times hours in advance so you can coordinate every part of the meal while leaving room for a little relaxation. Monitor the progress of your cooking through the app or take a closer look. Save your favorite discoveries for future use and make tweaks to old family recipes. You can even save pictures of the final result. Forgot what it was you made last? Check your cooking history to refresh your memory. Before you're done with one meal, you'll be planning your next. So go ahead, start planning today.
The ability to cook with perfect results every time, expanding your culinary repertoire, mastering any dish or technique with joy and confidence. Introducing Hestan Q. It's smart cookware with embedded temperature sensors. It's a smart induction burner that communicates with your smart cookware and an app. Not just any app. The Hestan Q app, with video-guided recipes and precision temperature control of the smart cookware and burner for a truly seamless cooking experience.
The great thing about this recipe is that with the control of the pan, we're able to get a nice crispy skin without it sticking.
To get started, choose from an ongoing library of hundreds of chef-tested recipes, from grilled cheese to weeknight meals to scallops. Q helps you plan for any meal or occasion. Select the number of servings, and the app then estimates cook time and lists the ingredients and equipment needed. Anyone, from beginners to seasoned cooks, will learn new skills and techniques through step-by-step video-guided instruction from Q's team of accomplished chefs.
Try to make sure that the side muscle isn't on there. It's a very tough texture.
As you cook on the Q, the smart cookware, smart induction burner, and recipe app work together to automatically control the pan temperature and timing of each recipe step. The app will tell you when to put your ingredients in the pan, when to flip them, and when to take them out. Goodbye guesswork. Q's additional features let you customize the cooking experience. Personalize the dish using the mix and match feature. Or use control mode to cook without a recipe at the ideal temperature using our integrated temperature guide. For stress-free proteins, just tell the app what you're cooking, the thickness, and your desired doneness. And the app will calculate the cook time and temperature precisely. Done, but not overdone.
The Mr. Coffee Smart Coffee Maker, enabled by Wemo, lets you brew from anywhere, so you can enjoy fresh coffee with optimal taste. You're in control, even when you're not in the kitchen. You can brew from your bed and know when your coffee is hot and fresh. Set a schedule, change settings, or check if the coffee maker is ready to brew. Just like that, make life a little easier from wherever you are. Brew the smart way with the Mr. Coffee brand and Wemo. Wemo-enabled smart appliances provide the simple convenience of managing your home remotely, making life easier, simpler, better. Your home at your fingertips.